Hi guys, so to get started I'm using painter's tape or frog tape to mark out my designs. You can just freestyle this part. There's no right or wrong. You can make the shapes as big or as small as you'd like them to be. Just have fun with it. Alright, so after I'm done with that, I'm gonna get to painting. I'm using the Hello Gold from Walmart and I'm just using 1 gallon. Look how beautiful this paint is. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's get into it. I suggest that you mark what shapes you want to be what color. I think I messed up by not marking that ahead of time, and I had some double colors, like 2 shapes the same colors, and I had to go over and paint over that. So just to avoid all of that, I think you should mark it ahead of time. So now I'm just going to marking which shapes I want to be yellow, and then I will do the gray at the end. Okay, so for the gray, I'm using the shark fin gray semi-gloss, and this is from Home Depot. I only got a quart for this one because I wasn't doing a lot of them gray, and the yellow I needed it to paint another wall, so just a quart of the gray for this. And I realized that the paint from Home Depot was a much thicker product, so I only had to do 2 coats. Instead, for the yellow I ended up doing about 3 to 4 coats. Also, as you can see here, within the painting process, I've went ahead and added more tape. As I said, this is totally freestyle, and because I didn't mark it ahead of time and I didn't want the colors to be colliding with each other, I went ahead and added some extra shapes. This little roller that I got in Walmart. Look how small. I didn't even know these things exist. Look how cute this is. So I'm going to use this to do the second coat of the yellow. So cute. Alright, bye. Alright, so now that the paint has dried and I've done my double coats, my 3rd coats and all that, now I'm going to take the tape off. This is the most exciting part. I was so happy with the results.